So, good day guys. Today, we're gonna answer our prelim exam video activity. Hope you've learned something from this and please enjoy what's watching. So, let's start.
Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it. I'm worth it. Give me, I'm worth it. Give it to me, I'm worth it. Baby, I'm worth it.
Number 8. Determine the efficiency of a 1500 kVA, 2300 volts, 3-phase, Y-connected alternator which operates at rated output with a power factor of 80%. The DC armature resistance at 70 degrees Celsius between terminals is 0.08 ohm. The field takes 70 amperes at 120 volts from the exciter equipment. Friction and windage losses are 15 kilowatts. Iron loss is 35 kilowatts and stray load losses are 1.5 kilowatts. Assume the effective armature windings resistance in is 1.5 times the DC value. So, ang solution sa number 8 mo ni first, pangita na tong I. So, I is equals to S over square root of 3 V sub L. So, equals to, ang atong S is 1,500 kilovolts. So, 1,500 times 10 to the power of 3 over square root of 3 times 2,300. So, equals to, ang I na to is 376.53 ampere. Then, next is find the RDC. So, RDC is equals to R sub 1 over 2. Which is, ang R sub 1 na to is 0.08 over 2. So, ang atong RDC is equals to 0.04 ohm. Next, ang RA na yun. So, ang RA na to is 1.5 times R sa RDC. So, state na sa question. So, ang 1.5 times 0.04 which is mo ng RDC, so equals to 0.06 mo na itong value sa RA. Next is find PA. So, equals to or power sa armature. So, equals to 3 times IA squared RA equals to 3 times 376.53 then squared 0.06 equals to 25.52 kilowatts mo na tong PA. So, dayon PF equals to VF, voltage sa field, then current sa field, which is 120 times 70. So, 8.4 kilowatt mo na ang power sa tong field. So, next is ang P loss. Power loss nila. So, P sub A plus P power sa armature plus power sa field plus power sa core niya. Power sa friction windage niya plus power sa stray. So, 25.52 plus 8.4 plus 35 plus 15 plus 1.5. So, ang power loss na to is equals to 85.42 kilowatts. Then, find the efficiency. So, efficiency is equals to P out over P out plus P loss. So, equals to 1,000 times 0.8 which is mo na tong P out power out niya over 1,500 times 0.8 plus 85.42 times 100%. Then, ato yung atong efficiency now is 93.35%. Number 10. A 3-phase AC generator is supplying power to a load of 3,200 kilowatt at 230 volts and a power factor of 60%. Assume that the loss of the line, the generator armature, and the load is equal to the 10% of the load. What would be the savings in watts if the power factor were raised to 80%? So, this is the solution for number 10. So, first is at 60% power factor. So, first is ang IP1. So, ang IP1 is equals to P over square root of 3 times load voltage times power factor. Since atong P is 3,200 kilowatt, mahimo siyang 3,200,000 over square root of 3 times 2,300 times 0.6 since given naman siya. So, ang IP1 na to is equals to 1,338.78 ampere. So, next is find the PA1 is equals to 3 times IP1 squared times RA. So, equals to 3. Since ato na muna solve ng IP1, 1338.78 squared RA. So, ato po yung tao ng RA. So, gi-statement dito guys nga ang atong 19% voltage load or katong power load, then ato siyang i-times ang 3,200 nga kilowatt into 10%. So 0.1 times 3,200 so equals to 320 kilowatt. So natay value sa atong PA1. Dayon ikuan na to, i-substitute na ang PA1. So atong pangitaw na niyang RA. So 320 kilowatt, so 320,000 over 3 times 1338.78 squared. So ang RA na to is equals to 0.0595 ohm. So next is at 80% power factor. So atong pangitaon first is ang IP2 which is equals to P over square root of 3 VL square root of 3 times V voltage load times power factor. So atong given ang nalahi lang isang power factor which is 0.8 kay 80% man. So equals to 1,004.08 ampere mo nang IP2 na to. Dayon painta na to ang PA2 equals to 3 times IP2 squared times RA. So equals to 3 times 1,004.082 squared times 0.059. Kaya ang atong RA is na naman. So equals to 1 atong PA2 is equals to 180 kilowatt. So ang para na po sa savings niya. So savings is equals to PA1 minus PA2. So since atong PA1 is 320 kilowatt minus 180 kilowatt, so atong savings now para sa na to is 140 kilowatt. Number 12. A standby diesel generator set will have the following loads. Inductive load drawing 50 kVA at 0.8 power factor. Lighting load drawing 20 kVA at 1.0 power factor. At what power factor will the generator operate? So, number 12. Mo na ang solution sa number 12. Nako. So, angle of A is equals to R cos 0.8. So, ang angle sa A is equals to 36.87 degrees. Then, angle B. And so, R cos 1 which is equals to 0 degrees. So, find the next ito mga is S sub T is equals to S sub A plus S sub B. So, ang atong sub A is 50 angle of negative 36.87 degrees. Then, ang atong S sub B is equals to 20 angle of 0 degrees. So equals to 40 minus G 30 plus 20 plus G 0 equals to 60. Atong ikuan combine ng pareha dayon minus G30. So atong S sub T is equals to 67.08 angle of negative 26.56 degrees. Then atong power factor is cos 26.56 degrees or 0.894 lagging.
So, that's all for today's video activity. Hope you've learned something from that. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button for the new updates. And thanks guys. Goodbye.